Qualitara was a bold decision for us because we were pushing all of our chips in. There was not a secondary option. If they were not successful, Sunny would not be successful. Apartmentless has been around for over 15 years, having helped close to 2 million renters find home. I look at our business almost akin to an F1 car. It has the ability to go incredibly quickly, but it is a highly engineered machine. And so as we think about new products, new opportunities, I'm constantly challenged with how do we match the speed of Apartmentless while protecting this amazing core business that we've built.
Rent growth has been outpacing income growth for the past 10 years. We believe we could solve that problem. We needed another brand and another website to be able to serve the price-conscious renter, and that was the genesis of Sunny. The core Apartmentless team, their commitments are full, and so we needed a partner that could move with us. Nearshoring was a new concept to me. You know, you kind of hear horror stories, and you're unsure of how invested they are. I remember having breakfast with Mario, and he spoke himself as if he were building the product. That was the inflection point for me. I knew that the team was going to be invested in the success of Sunny.
When I've met with Qualitara leadership, they know what we care about. They understand the key metrics that will make this project successful, and they understand what we're playing for.
We had 3 months to prove that we could build Sunny.com in a way that it could be self-sustaining. We had a weekly development cycle. We would deploy a new feature every day, and every day you ship, you learn something new. The team embraced the chaos of building a product from 0 to 1. It was intense, but we got through it. And that was last year, and since then we've hit a couple other 3-month timelines. Now we're actually generating real revenue, and that really gives us the fuel to keep going.
Net new user growth, renter retention, renter reactivation, and conversion rate. That's scaling. As we start calendar year 26, January was our best month, and we expect to continue to build on that.
I value the relationships I've built with the Qualitara team a great deal. I'm proud that we've been able to take the risk and see that through, because that risk is going to be needed to take us to the next level.